dark against the horizon.
Hi, and thank you so much for checking this promo to Singing Find Your Unique Voice. Have you always really wanted to sing and to sound like the best version of you? Do you have any problems with your voice that you would like addressed? Like maybe a slight tightness, maybe your range isn't as good as you would like it to be just at the moment, or you have some problems with confidence. If so, this really is the course for you. My name is Eve Williams. I'm a signed singer, and as a singer I've sung on film score, I've done international tours, and I've released 3 albums. I'm also a singing teacher, and I've been teaching people to sing since 2005. At the moment my youngest student is 7 and my oldest student is 102, so I've worked with all sorts of people from the brilliant to the truly terrified. So hopefully you're somewhere between those 2 points, and I'm definitely going to be able to help you in this course. We're going to look at some really useful practical things in this course. The course is full of practical exercises. So if you're dedicated to doing exercises, if you make an effort to do them every day, you'll notice changes to your voice quite quickly. We're going to look at breathing for support and also for pitching, because if we don't have proper support, then sound sags. We're going to look at increasing your range. We're going to look at safe projection, how to project safely without damaging your voice. We're going to look at diction and making words clear. We're going to look at voice qualities, and those are the different sounds that we associate with different kinds of music. So if you've always been taught classically and now you'd like to sing a bit of R&B, or if you'd like to get into classical music, if you want to sing folk music, whatever style of music you'd like to sing, this course is going to help you to do that. So if you're excited to get going with it, please enroll, and I'm looking forward to working with you.
Like a firework bursting on a jet black sky, illumination, illumination, a sudden spark to melt an ice cold life, illumination, illumination. We will walk and not grow.